Hi guys, Danica here, and in this video, we're gonna talk about CRM. So I have 4 here. These are the most CRM that we use right now. So we use CRM for most of the WordPress membership site projects that we do, mainly because we need to follow up with those members via email most of the time. And then we also need to organize them. Like example, who of your list has an access only to this course? Something like that. CRM can help with that because we can use like WP Fusion or Memberium to tag them, and of course to show like if they have this tag, that's the only time that they can access this course. If they have this tag, that's the only time that they can join this group that I have. Those are just simple examples. You're not limited to that. These CRMs right now, mostly they can also do SMS, can be integrated to another platform, and so on. But those are some basics that we do. So I have 4 here. There's more, but these are the most CRM that we use right now. So first is FluentCRM. This is a direct WordPress plugin. The way it works is you have all of the interface on the back end of your WordPress site. The pricing right now starts at $90 per year. They also have a free one, but they have more functionalities if you proceed to the pro. So far, we didn't see problem with this as long as your server has the capacity to handle this, because you have your CRM in place on the back end, so you need to make sure your server can handle that load, and you need to handle your SMTP, stuff like that with this. I recommend partnering this with Amazon SES. And with that, you can start with, I think, 50,000 email per month once you get approved for your account. Next to that is the high level. So originally, this was named Go High Level. So they have lots of functionalities such as email, SMS, and other stuff. I have other videos that covers high level. Though right now, I know that they have also released a lot of functionalities that was not in my video before. So this one, I'm actually starting to like this because of their functionalities, though I only have a few experience yet. So maybe I'm gonna continue to learn more about this one, because the only functionalities that I know right now for this one is the basic one, which is of course contactless management, the tags, custom fields, workflow, which is crucial when you are partnering this with a WordPress membership site, which is what I only need when setting up one. But they have more functionality. So I'll keep you posted on whatever I learn with this platform, especially when you're using that for your WordPress membership site. Another one is ActiveCampaign. We have a lot of clients who is using this. So far, it is a very easy interface. And when using ActiveCampaign, in my opinion, it's something that you don't need lots of experience, and you can just easily navigate through their software. So that's my feeling when I use ActiveCampaign. And I also like their automations. It's direct to the point, easy to use. I think that's their goal, making everything looks and works as simple as it could. Though they have some limitations like e-commerce stuff, e-commerce side, or maybe it's just me, haven't had experience with working with or using them with that part yet. But in most cases, when I'm using ActiveCampaign, it's always the products are set up in WooCommerce, so I didn't have much experience on integrating or what is their integration in terms of e-commerce. I know they work with Shopify, but again, my experience with that is limited. And then last is Keap Infusionsoft or Infusionsoft. This was original name Infusionsoft, and then they renamed this to Keap. This was the longest CRM software that I have used for a long time. This was the very first CRM that I've learned and mastered. I know the ins and outs and I really enjoyed their campaign builder. They were the first in the market, one of the first. I'm not sure if there were others, but I could consider their campaign builder advanced than others before. Though I know that right now ActiveCampaign is as much powerful as they are, but they still have those advanced features that I noticed is not yet available in ActiveCampaign, especially in the reporting side. But then again, ActiveCampaign has their way as well. So these are the 4. And if you're gonna ask me like right now, which one do I recommend using if you're just starting out? I think right now it's high level. And then if you have Keap, do I recommend you switch to high level? I could not tell you or give my opinion with that yet because my experience with high level is few only for now. But I noticed that when I was migrating or rebuilding an automation from Keap to high level, the automation in high level is not that advanced, or should I say, there were some delays with specific requirements from the client that the high level does not have that feature yet. Like, example, send this email every month on this day and so on. They don't have that type of delay yet. So you need to do like wait 30 days instead of wait 1 month on specific days, something like that. That's just one example that I bump into. So maybe there is still, even if high level is considered very advanced right now, meaning that I saw that they have a bunch of functionality, I still bump into that one thing this week. So I'm not yet sure if I can recommend. If you have a Keap account and you're using it, especially you're very into that email delays and stuff and it works, then I cannot tell if I recommend you switch to high level yet. I'm gonna keep you posted if my opinion for that change, but maybe I'm just biased because I have used Keap for a long time and I enjoy their platform and have studied it a lot. So I'm not sure, but I can see high level is very powerful. I just need more experience with it. Yeah. So again, if you're gonna ask me right now, if you don't have any CRM right now, I recommend going to high level. If you're looking for the most affordable one, I recommend the FluentCRM because that's the most affordable one right now. If you're looking for something that straight to the point, you don't want any advanced stuff, you just want to send email and stuff, then Active Campaign is the one that I can recommend for you. So yeah, and of course, if you are already invested in Keap, I don't blame you. It was one of the great CRM that I have used, and they have continued to improve. Though based on the conversation online, they said high level has already kind of like surpassed them in terms of functionalities that they offer. But again, I can't tell my opinion with that. I my own opinion if that's true because I haven't used high level that deep yet. Anyway, I hope this video helps. If you have any question, just let me know. I love all of this four. And depending on the requirements or requests by the client, that's when I'm gonna select which one I recommend for that project. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.